Script: Rick Grimes live tours the cutting-edge Robotech factory, customizing your own VF14 vampire. Scene: Rick Grimes stands in front of a sleek, high-tech factory. The building is modern and industrial, with glowing neon accents that pulse like a heartbeat. Behind him, rows of gleaming VF14 vampires sit ready for action, their angular frames catching the sunlight. Rick adjusts his signature sheriff's hat, now adorned with a small pin shaped like a vampire bat. Hey there, survivors! Rick Grimes here, and today we're doing something different. No walkers, no supply runs, just pure, unadulterated mecha magic. Welcome to XCHEL Robotics, the most advanced Robotech factory this side of Madripoor. And guess what? From the comfort of your own computer, you can customize your very own VF14 vampire, pick your colors, armor, engine, cockpit, and more. So buckle up because I'm about to show you how it's done. Cut to drone footage sweeping over the facilities with activity as robotic arms assemble parts, engineers tinker with prototypes, and pilots test fly freshly minted vampires overhead. Rick Grimes. This isn't just any factory, it's a fortress of innovation, backed by some of the sharpest minds in Madripoor. Let me introduce you to the brains behind the operation. Scene: Rick walks into a conference room where two figures stand waiting. CEO Kinichahao, a charismatic leader with an infectious smile, and venture capitalist Nakon Uai, a sharp-dressed investor who looks like they mean business. Rick Grimes. Ladies and gentlemen, meet Kinichahao, CEO of XCHEL Robotics. If anyone knows how to turn sunlight into success, it's him. And this is Nakon Uai, our fearless venture capitalist who's betting big on the future of variable fighters. Together, these two are redefining what it means to build a better Batroid. Thanks, Rick. We're thrilled to have you here. At XCHEL Robotics, we believe in empowering pilots, not just to fly, but to truly own their experience. That's why we've created a website where you can design every detail of your VF14 Vampire. Want red armor with gold trim? Done. Need enhanced stealth capabilities? You got it. It's all about customization. And let's not forget efficiency. Our production line is optimized using lean manufacturing principles inspired by Kaizen. Every step from kitting to final assembly is designed to minimize waste while maximizing quality. Trust me, when you see one of these babies take off, you'll know exactly why we invested so heavily in precision engineering. Want one? Website showcase. Scene: Rick sits down at a workstation inside the factory. On the screen, the XCHEL Robotics website displays options for customizing a VF14 Vampire. Rick Grimes excitedly pointing at the screen. All right, folks, check this out. This is the crown jewel of XCHEL Robotics, their online customization tool. First, pick your mode preference: Fighter, Gerwalk, or Batroid. Then choose your color scheme. How about Midnight Black with crimson streaks? Or maybe Desert Tan for those covert ops missions? He clicks through various tabs showing armor types, engine upgrades, and cockpit layouts. Rick Grimes. And if you're feeling fancy, you can even upgrade to the latest Mauler medium-bore beam guns or add extra missile pods. It's like building a Lego set, except instead of snapping pieces together, you get a fully functional mecha capable of taking down rogue synthetics, or walkers if they ever evolve wings. Production line highlights. Scene: Rick moves onto the factory floor where rows of 20-foot shipping containers house autonomous robotic arms assembling components. Rick Grimes. These aren't just robots, they're artists. Each container acts as its own mini-factory, equipped with deployable KUKA robo-forming arms. They're fast, precise, and never ask for coffee breaks. Thanks to Nakon's funding and Kinich's vision, we've streamlined the entire process. No unnecessary handling steps, no wasted motion, just pure efficiency. 3. Scene: Rick stops near a safety sign that reads "Glasses required," but notices workers nearby without them. Now, let's talk safety. These signs are well-intentioned, but as my buddy Russell would say, pointless rules lead to pushback. Either enforce the glasses rule or adjust the signs to reflect reality. After all, nobody wants to lose an eye during a welding session, or, worse, explain it to their mom. Noted, Rick. We'll review our protocols to make sure they're practical and enforceable. Scene: Rick returns to the entrance of the factory, the sun setting behind him. The VF14 Vampires gleam under the fading light. That's a wrap, folks. Whether you're a pilot looking for the ultimate customizable mecha, or just someone who loves seeing cutting-edge tech in action, XCHEL Robotics has got you covered. Head over to their website, design your dream vampire, and remember, in the words of Kinich himself, every sunrise brings new possibilities. Until next time, stay safe, and keep flying high. Camera pans out as Rick tips his hat, the factory buzzing with activity behind him. Ix Chell Robotics, building the future, one customized vampire at a time.